Welcome back to Bike Adventure Pro, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at a nostalgic name making a modern comeback, the 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni van. A classic icon reborn with a futuristic twist, let's dive into what makes this new version worth the hype. Design, classic shape, modern edge. The 2026 Omni holds true to its familiar boxy silhouette, but it's far from outdated. Suzuki has updated the exterior with sleeker lines, LED headlamps, and a reworked grille that subtly hints at its legacy while stepping firmly into the present. Compact, practical, and now more aerodynamic, the new Omni blends retro charm with urban practicality. Interior, utility meets comfort. Step inside, and you'll notice a major upgrade. The cabin now features dual-tone upholstery, a digital instrument cluster, and a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. While keeping the utilitarian spirit alive, Suzuki has added comfort features like power windows, improved HVAC, and better noise insulation, ideal for both city commutes and small business use. Performance, small engine, big purpose. Under the hood, the 2026 Omni is expected to house a compact yet efficient petrol engine with optional CNG and electric variants in the pipeline. Designed for efficiency and reliability, the engine suits its multi-utility role. With enhanced suspension and improved braking systems, the Omni promises better ride stability and safety on Indian roads. Safety, a major leap forward. One of the biggest improvements is in safety. The new Omni includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a reinforced chassis structure to meet modern crash standards. Suzuki has clearly taken past criticism seriously, ensuring this version offers far better protection for its occupants. Affordability and use case, still the people's van. The Omni has always been known for its affordability and utility, and Suzuki intends to keep it that way. Ideal for small businesses, family use, or even camper conversions, the 2026 version is expected to stay competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni is a smart revival of a cult favorite, retaining the spirit of the original while updating it for today's world. Whether you're nostalgic for the old Omni or looking for a budget-friendly van with modern features, this could be the van to watch in the coming year. Stay tuned to Bike Adventure Pro for more updates, reviews, and all things automotive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.